What's good, y'all? Welcome to another video, and today we are discussing, finally, I got my headlight replaced, but guess what? I got my car back with another issue. Volkswagen. Let's talk about it. What's good, y'all? So, I'm driving. Matter of fact, I ain't even getting to that part yet. I'm gonna go back to what originally happened. So, 2 days ago, I bring my Volkswagen in for service. You know, I decided to get an oil change, but I thought about it. I'm like, yo, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just get the passenger headlight replaced. The passenger headlight is the light that I showed y'all that had a defect where the daytime running light wasn't operating how it should have been. It just kept getting duller and duller as time progressed, to a point now where it was like barely visible, right? So I'm like, yo, the daytime running light is out of here. It's about over now. I might as well replace it. But mind you, the reason why I didn't replace it up front before is because right when I was gonna replace it, my driver's side got cracked while it was parked at a supermarket by somebody who knows, anonymous. Of course, they didn't want to say nothing. And yeah, they screwed that whole headlight out, or headlight up. Mind you, it still works. Everything is good with it to this day. It just, you know, looks tacky because it has a crack in it, but whatever. Dude said just the headlight alone would be $1,400, not including labor. This is a lease, mind you. I'm like, I'm not doing that. My lease is almost up. I'm not keeping the car. Yo, I'm not doing that, bro. I'm like, so whatever. Screw that. So now that the daytime running light went out almost completely, I'm like, yo, I might as well just go ahead, get that replaced. It's covered under warranty. Let's get it done. So I get it done. I got the car back today. I'm gonna show you clips of that real quick, of the headlight, what it look like now. And, you know, it's good now, finally. Right, it's been a while. But tell me why. You know, I go in the gym, I get my little workout in, you know. Gotta get sturdy on them, you know, whatever. I come back, you know, I try to set my music up, like always, you know, just to listen to some music while I'm on the road. And my radio don't work at all. Now, usually, if something like this happens in any car that has Bluetooth, sometimes the Bluetooth will act up, and then if you switch to like the radio or something, it'll work. For some reason, my radio doesn't work either. Radio don't work. Bluetooth don't work. Apple CarPlay shows up, but there's no sound. This has never happened before. This is the first time this has actually happened. Now, I have had problems with Apple CarPlay in the past, but it didn't completely shut the whole radio down. But at this moment, the whole radio was shut down. You can't make this up, y'all. You can't make this up. Pete. Look. Nothing. Steering wheel. Turning it up. Nothing. Change the station. Nothing. She should be blasting right now. Nothing. Let's see if I turn it off and turn it back. My phone, yeah. My phone's on. So turn it off. Let's see. If I turn it back on now, will it work? Let's see. Nothing. Radio is completely out, y'all. Just got the car back today. Literally, an hour and a half ago, y'all. I got the car back an hour and a half ago. And now something that's never happened before in over 3 years of owning this car happens. Can't even listen to music. If this isn't a sign for you to stay far away from Volkswagen, I don't know what is. This is a 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan, top of the line edition. This is the top. There's nothing over this. Pay top dollar for this, and you get all of these issues. If it happens with this, it'll happen with anything. I don't know what the deal is with Volkswagen, but one thing I do know, and that's stay the fuck away from them, because At this point, you're really just gonna own something that's gonna piss you off day in and day out and leave you questioning why you made the decision that you made every time you sit in the driver's seat. Who wants to go through that? Not me. I know y'all don't want to go through that neither, and I'm advising y'all to just avoid it, man, because this is comical at this point. Like, you can't make this shit up. You can't. It's comical. So I told y'all I would keep y'all updated. I know it's been a while since I checked in with y'all, but hey, I just got some work done, so I had to bring y'all with me, let y'all know what happened. And again, as you see, another issue. Good news, I will be out of this sooner than later. You know, I will be out of this car sooner than later, so that's where I'm gonna hang my hat. Other than that, I still got to deal with this for a couple more months. Hopefully this radio situation fixes itself. Who knows? Yo, this is just ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. Stay away from Volkswagen, y'all. Stay away. You already know, if you like this video, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. And just like that,